see how you can insert text inside of Google Slide Shapes. So for that, first of all, I'm going to go around into Shapes and then go to Shapes. I'm going to grab around one shape right here, click and drag it just like this, and you can see that this is the shape right here. So I can just go around and type in tube, and you can see that the text simply appears. I can center align this just like this. I can go around and change the type of the font right here and increase it out. And you can see that the text right here is within the shape. So I'm just going to change around the color right here. So let's just change around the color, and I'm going to go around onto the shape fill as well and select red. And you can see that it is tube right here. So I can just increase around the text size right here. If I were to increase, you can see that it says tube just like this. So I can go around over here and then add in another shape if I want to as well. But in this case, I'm just going to go around and add in text box and type in tutor just like this. So over here, you can see that the font size over here is 44. So I'm just going to go around and type in 44 as well. So I'm just going to go around and change that to impact as well. And I'm going to right align this out. And then there you go. You can see that this is how it actually works like. So it is the DTTube logo by using the Google Slide Shapes right there. So you can go around into any of the shapes and then simply insert text in it. So simply go out into something like call out, click and drag it, and simply type in, and it'll be typed in inside the shape. And you can use the alignment option to place it wherever you want. So that is how you can insert and work with text inside of shapes, inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.